guys, just a quick reminder, when you're handing in your vocabulary quizzes in the future, this is fine for now, but in the future, please go ahead and do something like what I've got here with Hayates, where they posted the actual screenshot of the quiz they took. So, and I actually want you to scroll all the way down, so I'll just show you how to do that really quick. I'm going to use Linda's as an example. So she has, supposed to have 5 cards and take a quiz on those. And what you're going to do is click test. And then you can actually go to options. If you want, just choose matching or multiple choice or true false. I usually just do multiple choice. It's easier for me. And then make sure that you have all the words that you need. So if you just need 5 or you want to study all of them, make sure you're clicking out of all the words that you have. So sometimes it does not show all of the questions. So go ahead and set those settings and create new test. And then when you're done, check the answers. I'd like you to scroll all the way down so I can see that you did all 10 or all 5 questions. Okay, and then I can see your percent there as well. Alrighty. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday.